Are my taste buds deceiving me?
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another month of daily goodie box to unbox for you, and you guys know I am so excited every time that I receive one of these boxes, and today is no exception. And I'm ripping into this bad boy because I'm ready to see what's inside. This box is heavy. Ooh, wait a minute. Okay, so wow, it looks like we're gonna have fun with this one. 3 organic products here, and these are from North Coast. And this first one, let's just get into these. So this first one here is fruit and veggie applesauce with pear, blackberry, and beet. No added sugar. But this one, of course, is the applesauce. Time to taste. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Delicious. You can taste everything. This is so good. This next flavor here is blueberry, spinach, and kale. And the other one was so good, I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be the same. I take that back. Now the first one was really good, but I'm not really a fan of this one here. But combining spinach, kale, and blueberry together is just not something that I enjoy. But I'm sure there are some people out there that are just dying to get that flavor, but not for me. And the last one here is in the flavors mango, sweet potato, and apricot. Yeah, I already know this is gonna be up my alley. Wow. Once again, smooth and creamy. It is so good to the point. You literally just feel like you're drinking orange juice. That's how good it is. And this is something that I can enjoy. This is something my teenager can enjoy. This is something that pretty much everybody in the house can. This is absolutely delicious. But of all of them, definitely the first one with the pear and blueberry and beets. I don't even like beets normally, but I like it mixed in here. So great job, guys. That was really good. Okay, I lost my camera light, but I'm gonna continue filming. So the next one that I have here is gluten-free whole grain vegan. And this comes from Mary's Gone Crackers. I like that name, it's cute, Mary's Gone Crackers. And this is a super seed. And I see that they're supposed to look like this, but it kind of feels like some of them are already like broken in the bag. And that could just be from delivery. But I'm gonna open this up. Oh, okay, that's what I'm smelling. I'm smelling that pinch of black pepper. Okay, so some of them, they definitely did survive this trip to the house. And these are nice and thin. And let's see what they taste like. Not bad. I see one of the options on here is that you can eat this with like avocado, so I can see that. Also, I can see this with like some different types of cheeses. And like I said, it's not bad. It just tastes like you're eating, it tastes like you're eating like a flattened out sunflower seed. So if you're into sunflower seeds, this is pretty much that taste that you're gonna get. And let's see. Yeah. So this is an RXBAR. And if you're a fan of my channel and you watch my videos, you'll know that me and RXBARs don't quite get along. And I'm just not a fan of protein bars like that. You know what? This is a chocolate sea salt. I believe I've tried this before. But I'm going to try it again on a new day. Might have new taste buds. So, this is what it looks like. Bon appetit. Right. RX, did you all do something different? Are my taste buds deceiving me? Wow. I actually like this one. One thing that I did like about this company that I pointed out in the past is that I like that they don't give you any BS. Okay, it says it right there, no BS. They just tell you exactly what's in there. You're gonna get 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, and 2 dates. And that's exactly what's in here. This is delicious. Much better than the one I had before. That's honestly one that I'm going to finish when this video is done. Right now, I gotta get into the next one. So this next one I have here is from Coco Luxe Hydration. So this is what it looks like. And this is one of those things where you always see like a lot of like really famous YouTubers, celebrities, they're always walking around drinking like coconut water. And I was just always wondering, like, is it as good as they make it? No. No. I don't really taste that much coconut. I'm just not a fan of this, and that's it. Okay, so it was like 2 actually that were inside of this month's box. So the next item that I have here is from EcoClips, and this is MONGO Kiss with MONGO oil. This is a lip balm with a kiss of bliss. Oh, and it smells good. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, isn't that flavor blood orange? I can smell it. It smells so good. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to start using this like literally right now. I'm just gonna put this in my bag. So the next item I have here is some melatonin, and this is from Sleep Factors, and it has 12 vegan capsules inside. So I received this product in the past, and this one is the pill form of the one I received before. So with this, you're going to take 2 pills, and it helps with like dehydration. If you're having issues regarding like vomiting and diarrhea, this is designed to help replenish. So the last one I received here is from Tosi, and Tosi has these peanut super bites. And, oh, I didn't even look at I didn't know that this was like in a candy bar form. I actually thought it was gonna be regular peanuts. Surprise me. Okay. Smells so fresh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Forget it. It's over. Hands down, this is the best product in this box. Absolutely delicious, very fresh. I love that bite. I was surprised. I'm thinking that I'm just gonna get some like whole peanuts in here, but this is actually in like a bar granola form, and it's just enough. That's when you're like really busy, so like in between you just grab one of these and you go. Absolutely delicious. This box was so much fun. I enjoyed pretty much everything in the box. And I think the one that probably surprised me the most was the RXBAR, because I wasn't too sold on them at first, but this time around with that chocolate sea salt, thumbs up. Well guys, if you're interested in receiving boxes like this, then I will have all the information down below in the description box so that you guys can get signed up. Everything is 100% free. Well guys, until next time, bye.